Brightening, exfoliating, moisturizing, and smooth, leading a more radiant and healthy-looking complexion. Egg yolk, 1 tablespoon rice flour. Egg yolk can help lighten the dark spot and even out skin tone. Rice flour, gently exfoliator and helping retain moisture in the skin to maintain hydration. More even complexion can help exfoliate and brighten the skin. 1 tablespoon fresh milk. Fresh milk can help lighten the dark spot and brighten your skin. Enriched vitamins and minerals can moisture and rejuvenate the skin, especially when you use a combination with other ingredients can help exfoliate and brighten the complexion of your skin. Yolk and rice flour and milk, perfect combination. Antioxidant that help brighten the skin and reduce the dark spot and also hyperpigmentation. Perfect for everyday use. Sa paggamit, ia-apply ko nga lang ito sa aking balat. At dahan-dahan circular motion, imas natin ito. 10 minutes to 20 minutes ay pwedeng-pwede po. Sobrang smooth, makinis sa balat, lalo na yung pinaka-resulta nito na nagbibigay exfoliate, hydration, kasama na rin mini-maintain nito ang ganda ng balat. This combination of brightening, exfoliating, moisturizing, and smoothing and healthy-looking complexion that is very bright, radiant, and attractive as shine a glowing skin, vibrant glow. Thanks for watching, guys!